If I lose my hearing, it's your fault.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, don't stop recording. I'm gonna do that in the second half.
There goes Q217.
Yeah, don't stop recording.
I wonder who's the person behind the camera today. That would be yours truly. That's Matt. I'm taking over Philip Lee today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and also there's going to be a second part here coming up. Hold on.
Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah, don't stop it yet. Don't stop.
Oh, no. That's what she said.
Yeah, don't stop it yet. I'm gonna do the second half.
I know.
I have a defect. Because yeah, he was hauling ass. Like,
yeah.
I thought I heard him on the radio. Like, wait a minute. Is that
also, ladies and gentlemen, I was only kidding around whenever I stuck my arm out. I was well.
Yeah, you were safe.
I was definitely safe, but not
How you guys doing?
Hey, how you doing, man?
Anything coming the other way, huh?
For the eastbounds, I have no idea right
I
now.
haven't heard anything. That coal train usually comes through, right?
Yeah.
Did he already come through or not?
I don't know. We know we got Walk Warner coming. But that's the first freight that since I've been here.
Yeah.
I've been in here about 7:45.
Really? That's it, huh?
Yeah, that's the first freight train that came by.
Yeah.
I don't know.
They've been running more stuff at night, I think.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Got a good shot?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
CHP just pulling a drunk driver over.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 2.6. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 300. End of transmission.
Wow, 300 even.
Woohoo!
Wow, that's inspiring.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to wrap it up for this video. We will see you guys in a little bit. This here's Past Matt. We out.
2 hours later.
Train!
Well, that could happen.
Yeah. Alright, guys. See you later.
Yep, see you in the next one.